Hello my friends, welcome back, and if you're new to our channel, thank you for stopping by. Today I have a short video for you. It's a plant video, and let us start off with this beautiful cryptanthus. Now this is the sempervivum, or the hens and chicks, because as the mother plant grows, we see a lot of pups growing around the mother plant, and this is how it looks right now. And here is my beautiful Hawatia, all green in color and looking just wonderful. This is one of the easy growing succulent. Now look at this dancing bones. Again, another easy growing succulent for the beginners who wish to have a succulent collection of their own. Very easy to grow. Now this is my Aglonema lipstick, but the plant looks a bit dehydrated and does not look as happy and vibrant as it should be looking. So I am going to water it generously, and I'm going to add a bit of manure to it maybe tomorrow morning. Now this is the Tradescantia, or the wandering Jew. A tiny bit of that size was given to me by my sister-in-law Prakriti long time back, I think last October or so, and now it has turned into a mini jungle, but I love it. Look at the beauty of the leaves. Yes, but I have not seen this particular plant flowering as such till now. Now look at the variegation, look at the color combination. Beautiful. Now moving on to my geranium. This is the plant which had come as a bonus with my purple color ivy from the flower show, and I have given it an individual pot yesterday, and I'm satisfied with the work because I had understood the need of the plant to be shifted to another individual pot. So finally it's done. Now this is the bougainvillea, which changes its color with every blooms, and this season these are the bracts, the colorful bracts that it has produced. Now let us move on to our geranium. This particular plant was given as a tiny cutting by my sister-in-law Rosa. Yes, I have two sister-in-laws, Rosa and Prakriti, and both are beautiful ladies with generous hearts, and they always keep gifting me plants. So this is one of the geranium gifted to me by Rosa, and for the first time it is blooming. Look at it, how vibrant, how beautiful it looks. And it's placed in a tiny pot, and look at the cuttings that it has produced, the branches, the new branches, and easily we can get some cuttings from it, but right now that is not my motto. This is another plant. This is the recent gift from Prakriti when I had visited my mother's place, and they are doing just wonderful. Look at the size of the buds. Oh my god, that's the size of the bud, and the flower is also equally beautiful. It's red with streaks of white here and there. I don't know whether the white streaks are visible or not, but the petals have white streaks. That's the flower. What a beautiful flower. I think all plant lovers and growers like me love to admire the buds that have formed on the plants, which gradually get bigger to finally bloom one day. So on a happy note, let's end today's video. Thank you for watching till the end. If you all have liked the video, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family members. If you are new to our channel, do consider subscribing and stay tuned for interesting videos. So till we meet again, it's bye bye for today.